So compared to, of course, the surgeries, how safe it is?
It is extremely safe.
Hmm.
There is no comparison actually.
Yeah, I mean, it seems so,
Yeah,
but still I would
absolutely.
like to ask.
Uh,
Yeah.
so, uh, so with surgery is a major thing. Okay, you're replacing the your joint.
With a
The-
foreign body again.
yeah, of course. Okay, so we are putting metal and plastic and whatever
Hmm.
all those things in the joint. Now, when is it good to have that replacement? When we know 100% that we are not able to salvage this joint.
Hmm.
ठीक है कि हम ये जॉइंट को बचा ही नहीं सकते हैं, वो स्टेज पे गए
Hmm.
तो ऑब्वियसली देर इज नो अदर वे, पर रिप्लेस करना पड़ेगा. ये जब भी हम आर्थराइटिस को हम डिवाइड करते हैं स्टेज 1 टू स्टेज 4 में. ठीक है, 4 में क्या होता है कि पूरा जॉइंट खत्म हो गया है, घुटने पूरे टेढ़े हो गए हैं, चलने में दिक्कत हो रही है, 10 कदम भी चल के इट इज एक्सट्रीमली डिफिकल्ट टू इवन वॉक दैट मच. तो ऑफ कोर्स यू नीड टू रिप्लेस, बट टिल दैट टाइम you should try to save the joints, for sure. ठीक है, तो so आपने पूछा कि कितना रिस्क है. रीजनरेटिव थेरेपीज में हम खुद के ही, इट इज कॉल्ड ऑटोलॉगस, खुद के ही सेल्स या फैक्टर्स यूज कर रहे हैं बॉडी के, पेशेंट के बॉडी के खुद के, वहाँ पे, और वो छोड़ के कुछ भी नहीं जा रहा है.
No chemicals, no foreign bodies,
zero
nothing.
drugs, zero chemicals, no foreign body, nothing. So it is extremely safe. Unless, I always joke with patients, unless you are allergic to yourself, you will not be rejecting it.
Right.
So they are very safe. These are done as very precise treatments. You need a special training for doing these, because we are not giving blind injections. I always say that you should be doing it image guided, which means that either image intensifier or ultrasound guidance. So we actually see the fine needle which is entering, and exactly where there is degeneration या tear जो भी है, तो वहाँ जाके उसे हम deliver करते हैं these cells. Okay, so that's why it is extremely safe, because it is going under vision. Okay, even if we are not opening it, it is done under an image guidance.
Right.
So I think these are extremely safe treatments. There is huge safety data also available now. So there is zero chance of it being rejected by your body, because it is your own. There's no mixing with anything, any drug or chemical. So yeah, I think it is like far safer than any major surgery that we do. It's not against surgery. It is, what we are trying to do is to save the cartilage or save the joint and heal it naturally. That's what is being done. If at all, patient gets to a level where the joint is completely destroyed, or the muscle or the tendon is torn and completely irreparable, of course then we need to or do an open surgery or an arthroscopic surgery, get it together, suture it. But again, we always now augment it with these biologics.
Right.